Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. This is a quick and easy craft for Tassel Tuesday. This is an open collab, so this video is to go along with Tassel Tuesday open collab hosted by Christy's Crazy Crafty Life and Creating with Jovi. So go over there, check out their channels. I'm going to link them below, but I'm going to show you the easiest way to put together a tassel for your junk journal. What you need a book ring. These book rings can be purchased at Dollar Tree. They are $1.25 now. This is a 1.5 inch and you get 8. You can make them smaller or even larger. They open like this and they'll fit on that ring clasp, a ring fastener really easily. Okay, so you don't really have to have it open to make your tassel, but it is easier and it'll close right up. I use hot glue, so you don't have to even sew. This is some crafty trim. I like a gold color. Sometimes I use thread, but today I'm going to use this because I really want the gold to stand out. And then I cut some ribbon and some rickrack and some seam binding. And you can use fabric or whatever you want, tear cloth, whatever you'd like to be in your tassel. I try to get it to go along with my theme. Since my theme is Christmas, I'm going red, green, kind of this off-white and white. And then I've got this little bit of black check here. So I think that'll look cute. Easy peasy. Basically, you're just going to start with your ribbon that is cut to double the size you want it. So if you want your ribbon to hang the whole length of your spine, then cut that. I did cut these 16 inches, but we can always trim them as well. And I just want to add, you can add as many charms that you want to. You can add like fishing line, thread, and it looks really pretty to have charms in your tassels. So quick and easy, this is the way to do it. Just put some glue on your book ring. All right, so glue. The next thing you want to do is you're just going to add glue on top of glue, and then just depends on what you want to go next. And I would say just go ahead and get the fold in about half, and be careful as you can definitely get yourself there. And then just go for it. You're just going to keep adding layer on layer. So have you ever made a tassel before? And if so, what was your theme for it? Once you have all your laces and ribbons on your tassel that you want, it's time to tie it all together with your thread, ribbon, whatever you want to use. And I'm going to use this craft trim. It's gold and it's going to look really pretty. So the way that I start it is I just wrap it around a couple of times to get it pretty tight in here, right around what would be considered like a neck. And then I just put a little glue on here, just a little, just enough to kind of hold it in place. Then I just wrap it around probably about 20 times because I pull it tight, and because I want it to be really tight. And I think for this thicker trim, I may not have to go quite that many times around, but I'm going to go ahead and close this, show you that it does close, right? And then I'm going to come around to this side, and we're going to put some glue right here and glue it down. And then just snip it. So then your tassel can be finished at this point, but if you want to tie on any little charms or anything, I'm just going to do those 3, but they're all in there. And then I'll show you here how it just fits right on my planner's ring clasp. Just take that off. and it just hangs like that. Now the only thing is, this is a little bit long, so if I want to cut any of these off and get them even, now's the time to do it, right? Okay, so I decided to glue gingerbread man that I had. It's so cute, and I think it looks really good right there. So let me show you what it looks like on the planner. Okay, so here it is. I think it looks really cute with the little gingerbread man on there. I just glued him on, and if I just sit here, I will keep going. So this is my charm dangle, and then there's my tassel. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't be afraid to do tassels. You can do it, I promise.